Hey, it's Janelle Root over at i5 Toyota. Today we're going to go over how to connect your Bluetooth to the Highlander. You're going to go ahead and go to register phone. You're going to want to make sure on your phone that your Bluetooth is on. So you're going to jump into your Bluetooth, connect on yes. On your phone, it's going to go ahead and ask you if you want to pair it. You're going to press OK. It's going to ask you if you want to allow access to your contacts and your messages. You're going to go ahead and allow both, and it will connect onto there. So now when you go into your phone, as you can see, it will have your contacts, your favorites, your messages, along with you're able to utilize using your music on your phone, and you may even see some emails come through. Thank you so much for watching. If this was something that really helped out, please feel free to subscribe.